Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you pro tips how to use hashtags on Instagram. Very easy, very simple, and the most important, very effective. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's try to create a brand new post. Let's hit the plus sign over here. Let's create a new picture post. Now let's move to the most important part. Here you want to make sure that you're creating a metadata. Essentially, you want to think that you're writing the whole page. I want you to think like you're writing a blog post, okay? This is how structured and how informative your meta description should look like. For example, what we have on our picture. We have a thumbnail with iPhone, and we have a description, and we have a small arrow that is highlighting what is the video about, right? So what we're going to do about it is we're going to highlight that we're having a tutorial, right, for iPhone, right, starting very generic, and then we're starting to niche down. But what we want to do, we want to split between the generic title with the niche title. Okay, we're gonna make this small separation, and now we're going to put the actual title. We're gonna niche down our video. So for example, we could say that this is how to go live. How to go live. And we can do also step by step. Okay, so now currently we have a title, we have a generic title, macro title, and then we have a micro title, which essentially is the niche title. After we created this one, you want to create something secondary as 2-3 sentences, like a welcoming, entering, which essentially will direct the algorithm. After the algorithm sees the title, they will know exactly what kind of content it is. So who is the right audience for this particular picture or video, right? So now we're going to explain in 1 or 2 sentences that, in this video, you will learn how to go live, right? Very simple. 1 sentence, you explain what is the video about, and now we're going to niche down. We're going to say that with our strategy, you will be able to go live and get more views, get more followers, right? Something that is niche down. So there is a generic benefit, which is you're gonna learn how to go live, but there is a specific benefit but these people are going to get out of this video. Essentially, the specific benefit will be how to go live and how to get followers. Now is coming time for the most important part, which is the hashtags. Okay, so you wanna split your hashtags into long and short hashtags. First thing that you want to focus is how many hashtags you're really looking to put in. Before, people were putting as many hashtags that they could put, right? 20-30 hashtags. Now the best thing is that you don't want to confuse the algorithm, so you want to make sure that you have no more than 5 or 6 hashtags. The strategy with hashtags will be the same that we used so far. You want to start with 2 generic hashtags, which are essentially, in our case, will be TikTok tutorial, right? This is generic. And the second generic will be iPhone tutorial. Okay, boom. Now we have been left with 3 additional niche down hashtags, which in our case will be how to go live on TikTok. The second one will be TikTok followers. Do you see how this actually worked out? We have an amazing structure over here, guys. So we have a generic title, okay, then we have how to go live, we have niche down title, Then we have two sentences, first which is more generic and second with specific knowledge of it. And then we have 5 hashtags which are absolutely targeted and they really give exactly what people are looking to get out of this post. This is the best hashtag and metadata strategy when you're publishing on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.